Hello guys, welcome back to the Brutal Investor channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day today. In this episode, we're going to talk about a project that has been taken quite a bit of beating this week, and this project is called NFTrade or the NFTD token, right? As always guys, I highly recommend you guys to do your own research and read the projects we cover on our channel. And for this project, I recommend you guys to go to the website NFTrade.com in order to learn more about this project, right? So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to rely on the information presented on the bottom section of CoinMarketCap or this page. But again, this is only going to be a peripheral analysis, so please do your own in-depth research before you put your hard-earned money on this token, right? So what is NFTrade? NFTrade is a first cross-chain and blockchain agnostic NFT platform. We are an aggregator of all NFT marketplaces and host the complete NFT lifecycle, allowing anyone to seamlessly create, buy, sell, swap, farm, and leverage NFTs across different blockchains. So, right off the bat, they're stating here that they are an NFT trading platform, but it's not just any NFT trading platform. It is a cross-chain platform that is blockchain agnostic, which means they pretty much don't care about a particular blockchain. They work on every single blockchain that they can, and that's a very good thing, right, for an NFT project. So they're basically saying that when they're aggregating a project, they're basically aggregating the different marketplaces of NFTs in different platforms and making it available for users in one platform, which is the NFTrade, right? So they are aggregating, all NFT marketplaces and hosting it on the platform, along with the complete NFT cycle or life cycle, allowing anyone to seamlessly create, buy, sell, swap, and farm NFTs across different blockchains. Again, if you are trying to seamlessly participate in an NFT blockchain ecosystem that is blockchain agnostic, and if you want to ensure that your blockchain-based NFT is multi-chain or cross-chain compatible, then NFTrade is basically the place where you can find those kind of NFTs, right? Using NFTrade, anyone can gain access to an entirety of their NFT, unlocking the total value of the NFT market. So by using NFTrade, you can completely gain full access to your NFT, which means you can not only use it in multiple different blockchains, but you can also unlock the true value of the NFT, because in one ecosystem or one blockchain, your NFT may be worth less, but in another blockchain it will be worth more, right? So I think NFTrade is trying to provide opportunities for NFT holders to get a wide exposure to multiple different blockchains, thereby ensuring that they get the best value for their NFT as possible, right? So again, that's pretty much the overview of NFTrade. Let's go to their website here, NFTrade.com. Right off the bat, you can clearly see that their website is quite cool. They have a cool blue background, and you can basically create, buy, sell, swap, and farm NFTs in this one platform. All chains, all NFTs, one platform. So again, they have multiple different chains. We'll cover what are the chains that they're covering in a few seconds. But if you click on Launch App, that's going to be their basic marketplace hub for multiple different NFT blockchains, combined in one single platform, right? You can also join their Telegram if you want to learn more about this project. And apart from that, if you want to buy this token, you can buy it from Gear.io for the Ethereum-based ERC20 token, or you can buy it from PancakeSwap for the Binance Smart Chain-based project, and you can buy it on Trader Joe for the Avalanche-based token for the NFT trade project, right? So you have a lot of variety opportunities to buy this token from. The ultimate NFT platform. So here are some of the main features of this platform, right? NFTrade is the first cross-chain and blockchain agnostic NFT platform. We are an aggregator of all NFT marketplaces and host the complete NFT cycle or life cycle, allowing anyone to seamlessly create, buy, sell, swap, farm, and leverage NFTs across different blockchains. Again, this is something that we've already covered before. So overall, what you need to understand is it's a platform that aggregates different NFT marketplaces from different blockchains into one place, allowing for a seamless experience, thereby enabling users to get the highest value for their NFT in a given blockchain, right? So just like Amazon aggregates every conceivable product to one platform, making it easy to buy everything at once, we want to do the same for NFTs, making all non-fungible tokens accessible through the click of a button. So again, they're trying to use the same model that Amazon used or uses in its current retail strategy, and NFTrade is basically trying to use the same thing for their NFT aggregator, right? So that's the main core backbone of NFTrade. And apart from that, it's also multi-chain plus cross-chain. NFTrade supports NFTs across a range of smart contract networks, including Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and many more to come. Switch between chains at the push of a button and trade NFTs in a low-fee environment. So again, every platform is becoming a cross-chain or multi-chain project, including NFTrade as well. So if you have an NFT on Ethereum that you want to bridge to Binance Smart Chain, you can do that because you have mobility between different blockchains for your NFT, and in the future you will get multiple different more blockchains that will also be linked to NFTrade, right? So apart from that, you have NFT farming. I put your ideal tokens from your favorite projects to use, staking them on our NFT farm to earn exclusive utility-based and collectible NFTs. Get more value from your tokens through NFT farming. So again, if you do want to farm NFTs instead of buying them, you can earn them by putting some of your idle tokens and staking them in the NFT farming platform of the NFTrade, and you can basically earn exclusive NFTs based on the proportion of the stake that you have of a particular token, right? Which is a cool thing because you can earn NFTs passively. NFT Launchpad, gain access to the hottest new NFT projects and capture the upside from the explosive demand for non-fungible tokens. So again, if you want to get an exposure to a new project, which is a big craze right now, you can do that by participating in their NFT Launchpad. The NFTrade community will enjoy exclusive access to curated token sales for top projects. Again, they will, the NFTrade platform will allow for NFTrade users to get exclusive access to curated platforms and token sales before anybody else can, which means you can technically get a 100x token or project from NFTrade's Launchpad, right? Apart from that, they also have escrowed P2P swaps. Trade NFTs in a secure environment with an escrow mechanism facilitating swaps between users. With NFTrade, every trade is resolved to the satisfaction of both parties. Again, if you want to make a sale of your NFT, you can do that in a peer-to-peer manner. So you can exchange your NFT for someone else's NFT of the fair or higher or lower value by basically using their escrowed peer-to-peer swaps, right? Which is a very important feature that I think many NFT marketplaces will take advantage of in the future. Social features. NFTrade puts a fun in non-fungible token. Interact with yellow collectors, share your stories, and show off your NFTs to the world. Again, you also have social features where you can show off your NFTs if you want to. So coming to the roadmap of this project, our upcoming major milestones. So you can go through the roadmap to see what particular stage they are at. So currently, we are somewhere between Q3 and Q4 of 2021, and you are currently seeing that additional blockchains will be added to this platform. We'll integrate chains such as Wax, Flow, Cardano, Polkadot, Solana, and more. So now they only have Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain, and I think you can also find Polygon Chain as well. But in the future, they're definitely going to add more and more blockchains. But for Q3, they're trying to target addition of multiple other blockchains such as Wax, Flow, Cardano, Polkadot, Solana, and much more, right? And for Q4, which is the next quarter, they're going to basically have cross-chain compatibility. So you can see that currently they're still in the very early stage. So if you buy this token at any price point in the current stage, you will probably be an early adopter, right? Users can interact with NFTs directly cross-chain bridging all the best attributes and aspects of each network and application into a single hub. So again, if you want to interact with NFTs directly in a multi-chain manner, they're planning to bring that in Q4 of this year. So let's see if they are going to deliver on their promises, right? And you can clearly see that they have plans till Q1 of 2022, and they're planning to bring in governance, staking, and transaction fee distribution or discount, which will also be a good feature to add, right? So moving on to the team members, you can clearly see that there are several team members whom you can also search in LinkedIn in order to see what projects they're currently involved in or what projects they were involved in. And they have multiple investors and partners, which includes DAO Maker, who's an investor and partner of this project. Solana has invested in Solana has either invested or partnered with this project, similar to that of Polygon, Avalanche, Fermion, Pools, Poker Foundry, and Zokio, right? So these are projects that have either directly invested in the project or partnered with this project. So you can clearly see some of the notable names here, and if you want to get live updates from their newsletter, you can also add your email ID and get live updates, right? So you can also see some of the social media platforms here, and if you want to learn about the project, you can click on the 3 lines here and see some of the features, apps, team members, partners, and contact information as well, right? So moving to the CoinMarketCap page for NFTrade, this token is currently ranked 3,138th by market cap on CoinMarketCap, and is currently trading at 45 cents per token, with a 20% decrease in the past 24 hours. Again, this token is in a downward trajectory right now, so people who have missed this token during the SHO round from DAO Maker can basically buy this token, because it is kind of like in a 20% discount right now, right? And it is a token that nobody is really talking about because it's in the 3000th ranking, which is way behind in the CoinMarketCap's ranking, which not a lot of people would be digging deep into. So if you are looking to buy this token is kind of like a very cheap, good quality project that has also been featured in DAO Maker platform, which is a very popular kind of like launchpad platform in and of itself. So I think this project is a very early project. If you do get into it, again, the market cap is also pretty low, and it has a warning sign because it may not necessarily reflect the exact market cap. But for now, let's assume that it's somewhere between $4 to $7 million in market cap. So I think this token is still possibly less than $10 million in market cap, which makes it a very nano cap token. And it could even be called as a nano cap gem, because this token has a lot of huge potential in the future, which I think can definitely bring the token price higher and higher for this token, right? If you take other information, I wouldn't really trust that, because a lot of tokens information is not really reliable. But if you take the max supply, this token does have a max supply of 135 million tokens, right? Again, that is slightly higher than the 100 million tokens that I would personally like, but at the same time, it's still a relatively scarce token, because a lot of tokens have their max supply in billions of tokens, but this one is only in 135 million, which I can definitely take. And the current self-reporting circulating supply, which should be taken with a grain of salt, is 9.8 million tokens in circulation. So again, this token has been kind of like the information with this token has been quite shady. So please take all of this information with a grain of salt. But I think the token itself has a very limited circulating supply that I'm making this video. This could increase in the future, but as more and more token is going to be launched into the market, you can see price slumping and price sideways movement, which will also be the case for this token as well, at least for the short term, right? But I think the long term, this token has a lot of potential, because it is a very early project which has a less than $10 million in market cap and a decent max supply with very strong fundamentals, trying to make NFTs available in a multi-chain manner, which is a novel kind of concept, because nowadays if you buy an NFT in Binance Smart Chain, you can only trade it within the Binance Smart Chain, right? But NFTrade is planning to bring multi-chain features to NFTs, and that's going to be a good thing, right? So based on that, I think this token is a very strong token based on its tokenomics. If you go to the charts, again, you can clearly see that this token has been hammered like crazy. And if you want to buy a token this is exactly what you need to see. The chart should be going in the downward trajectory, and this is the best time to buy this token, right? Again, not financial advice, but I think I would grab a huge bucket of this token if again, if I had some capital, but I don't really have a lot of capital to invest in right now because I'm waiting for some capital to flow in. But again, if you see the beautiful trend line, it's been going in a downward trajectory. You may think that this token has been going down more than up. Yes, because this token doesn't really have a fully functional platform yet, which means it's still in beta stage, and the team is doing a good job. This token is a reliable token. It's not a scam. It was listed by DAOmaker, and obviously after the show offering, this token literally pumped and dumped, and people started moving on to the next token, right? So if you do believe in the future of NFT, and if you do believe in the future of this token, because it's facilitating cross-chain NFT trading, and this is going to be the best token for you to hodl, and this is going to be the best token for you to hold at this time, right? Because you are clearly seeing the price kind of tank a lot, and if you are trying to get into this token, this is the best time to buy this token as well, right? So let's look at the price information. So this token was initially worth 66 cents at the time of inception, which was 24th of September, not a long while back. And if you go to the all-time highs, which is not technically considered as an all-time high, it's slightly over 75 cents. So if you buy this token right now, you're pretty much buying it at a very good discount. And I think the all-time highs is not necessarily going to be coming unless there's a lot of volume and a lot of interest in this token, right? So I think the all-time highs will come, but it'll take some time to come in. But I think the token is obviously going in a downward trajectory, making occasional peaks, reaching up to 67, 68 cents, and then going pretty much down with an all-time lows of about 44 cents, 44.3 cents. Again, now it's 44.9 cents. I think this token can go below 43 cents, and you can start dollar cost averaging it, right? So if you buy this token at this price point, you are buying it at a significant discount, and this is the best time to buy this token, right? If you take a Bitcoin competitive, again, the token is obviously struggling in the Bitcoin competitive as well. The Satoshi value for this token is 158 Satoshis, and then this token kind of peaked at a price point of about 1,580 Satoshis, and it peaked out at a price point of about 1,600, 1,700 Satoshis per token before going to a downward trajectory, and now it's kind of like at the all-time lows of about 1,048 Satoshis per token, right? So again, as I said, this token is a good opportunity to buy, not only in the Bitcoin competitor as well, but also the dollar competitor as well. And I think this token can continue to go a little bit lower, which means if you start dollar cost averaging it at this price point, you will get a really good average lowest price of this token that you can get into, right? So I think this token is going to get neglected for quite some time until people start realizing the value of this token, and then they'll start piling in, which is when you will see some crazy numbers, because this token is technically scarce, and as more demand comes in, I think this token is going to skyrocket, right? So when it comes to the market itself, this token is available on Gate.io, PancakeSwap, Uniswap version 3, 1inch, and several other several platforms and multiple different exchanges in Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, as well as in centralized exchanges such as Gate.io. One thing is for sure, this token is not listed in KuCoin or OKEX or Huobi Global or even Binance and Coinbase as well. So this token is kind of really early. So if you buy this token, you're buying it at a very good price point because it has all-time low. You're buying a project that's fundamentally strong because it has NFT. It's trying to be the NFT hub for every single platform, which means you are going to get the best NFTs in this platform. If you believe in the future of NFTs, then this token is going to perform extremely well. And also, this token is not available on any major centralized exchange, which means you have 4 to 5 possible points to determine whether this project is good for you, and all those 5 points point out that this project is an amazing project, right? So again, I'm waiting for some cash or capital to invest my money on this token. This is the best token to buy at this price point. It's one of the best projects because it's also vetted by DAOmaker. I think when it comes to NFTs, this project is going to kind of like lead the roadmap when it comes to the future of NFT and NFT marketplace. And that's one of the reasons why I feel like really bullish on this token. This token did not sponsor me, but if they do, even if they don't sponsor me, I'm obviously going to like this token, but if they do sponsor me, this will be great. But overall, I think this token is a very strong fundamental token with fundamental tokenomics that's quite strong as well. This token has a long-term potential. It's supported by industry players such as DAO Maker, other platforms on DeFi, non-DeFi venture capitalists. And it's also a project that's extremely early. You're less than $10 million in market cap with a potential explosion. It hasn't even set a proper all-time highs yet. It's a very new project, and this is the project that you need to look into if you're trying to make some really good midterm or long-term gains, or even short-term gains as well, right? So that's basically my verdict, guys. Again, remember, guys, you guys are not regular investors, you guys are brutal investors, so stay brutal. Thank you very much for watching my video, guys. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. See you in my next video. Bye.